So right here, right now, we got a welcome toast event going on. Hello. There's your welcome toast right over here. Hello, hello. Hello. So what is happening over here? Looks like there's a social going on. This is the welcome toast. A lot of people are hanging out. Hello, hello, how are you? Here is where you can see, as you can see, the show is directly located right down there.
Excellent. Well, my friends, if we haven't met yet, my name is Luigi, and I am really honored to be the cruise director aboard this beautiful ship. Welcome to our Captain's Club Welcome Toast. It is indeed now a tradition on Celebrity Cruises for us to gather up a few times in cruise just to get to see these wonderful people. Of Celebrity and our Captain Kate McCue.
Good morning, everyone. Did everyone enjoy the extra hour back? I'm afraid we're going to take that back from you at the end of the cruise. So my apologies in advance, but welcome to our Captain's Club celebration. There's so many people here. Hi, everybody. I have to apologize to the folks in the back who are going to be looking at my back. But we are here to celebrate each and every one of you and your continued loyalty to Celebrity Cruises, which we appreciate. And seeing you members are up in the front as well. Celebrity Beyond, how many folks have never been on Celebrity Beyond? Raise your hands, raise your hands. Wow, a lot of first timers. How about new to Edge class? New to Edge class, okay. Quite a few people have been on the Edge class, fantastic. Well, as you know, Celebrity Beyond, it is our flagship. This ship came out April of last year. She is the baby in the fleet, but not for very long because she will have her sister joining us this year in 2023 with Celebrity Ascent. The legends that are Captain Dimitri and Captain Tassos Kavagides. Yes, absolutely. If you have not had the pleasure of sailing with them yet, you are in for a treat. And Celebrity Ascent is, of course, going to be doing some incredible itineraries, doing Europe as well as the Caribbean. And our future cruise team can tell you all about those cruises. But we do also have Edge Class number 5 that is coming out. And again, a couple of weeks ago, Celebrity posted on their stories on Instagram, and they gave you 2 options for names. Now, if you sailed with me a couple of months ago, we were actually playing a game. If you could guess the name, because I knew what the name was, but then Celebrity posted this on Instagram and gave 2 options. So I think it might be a toss-up right now, and I'd just like to get everyone's feedback, because your feedback obviously is very important. So there are 2 names that are being bantered around. Now, there are some classifications and some qualifications for naming a ship in Celebrity Cruises. In particular, for the Edge Class number 5, there are 3 particular criteria. Number 1, the name has to be 6 letters or less. Why? It has to fit around the ship's deck. It can't go around and around and around. The second thing is, because it is the 5th, the final in the class, it has to represent the top tier, the peak, the pinnacle, if you will, the apogee, which none of those were options, but it has to represent the top. And the last thing is, it cannot have been used on a ship previously. The name cannot have been used on a cruise ship that's been previously launched. So, using those 3 criteria, they have 2 names, and I want to get kind of your feeling for this. So the first name is Vertex. Everybody's quiet. Okay, the second name is Excel. Oh, wait, I didn't get to it yet. Okay, so raise your hands. Team Vertex, let me see. Team Vertex in the room? Wow, literally 1. Wow. Okay, where's my team Excel? Oh my gosh, okay. We will provide your feedback, of course, to Celebrity Cruises, and we will see what ship number 5 is. The name, we don't have a date on when the name will be released or when the ship will be released, but that is also coming. Celebrity Cruises, our fleet is growing. We now have 15 incredible ships sailing literally from infinity to beyond. It doesn't get old. It doesn't. Neither do the Beyond puns, but that's what we're here for. Now, we've got a lot of exciting things coming up in the company from our itineraries. This year, Celebrity Beyond will be doing new itineraries in Europe. We will be sailing to Greece. We will be sailing to Croatia, to Montenegro, overnight in Istanbul. And there are some great perks when you sail with us to Europe, but we're going to have the lovely folks give you some details on that in just a moment. But as this is our Captain's Club celebration and we are here to celebrate you, I want to introduce you to someone that's going to be looking after you all voyage. And then, of course, we call her the Triple C. She is your Captain's Club concierge. Please give a warm welcome to Natalia.